listen to this track.
Dance.
Watch me as I dance under the spotlight. Listen to the people screaming out more and more. Cause I create the feeling that keep them coming back. Yeah, I create the feeling that keep them coming back. So captivating when I get it on the floor.
And keep on rocking, rock it up on the floor. If you're a criminal, kill it on the floor. Steal it quick on the floor. On the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. It's getting ill, it's getting sick on the floor. We never quit, we never rest on the floor. If I ain't wrong, we probably die on the floor.
Now I know how to get down on the floor. Experienced in moves you can't ignore. But something about this beat that's got me hooked. Come over here and take a closer look. Let's go. Drop it to the floor, make me wanna sing it, baby. Yeah, you can shake some more, make me wanna sing it, baby. Ooh, you got it, cause you make me wanna sing it, baby. Yeah, don't stop it, cause you make me wanna sing it. You know who shut them down.
I don't like it. I don't like the video.
What video?
What video?
I don't like the part where I'm shaking my butt and the.
It's really cute though.
Yeah, because it's a little girl.
They're gonna know it's me.
Exactly.
But I want
That's
to
the
show
point.
it to my friends.
Show it to your friends. I'd be like, haha, Brenda's hilarious. Or Skittles hilarious. They're gonna start calling you that at school then. They'll be like, hey Skittles. You'll be like, hey.
Hi, I'm Mr. TV. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hi. 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 Hey,
Yes.
people around the world. How y'all doing? Y'all want to see something cool?
Maybe right there.
People. You're better watch something amazing.
That is
Are you serious? I think you want to race? Yeah. Okay, wait, no, go to the. I bet I could do it. Okay. It's fine. I know. Yeah. No way. No. No way. How did you do that? The chair's right there, you know. See? Boring. I told you. I'm falling. I'm falling. Ew, I'm like oh, whoa. I didn't get that part, but it didn't matter.
Blissfully unaware of how dumb they really are.
blah 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 blah. And then I stop it. Blah 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 blah. You're in the way. And you have to go blah 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 blah.
On my way, just to come back. Brenda doesn't know.
So green. ¿Estos se quedan, Brenda?
Oh no.
Yeah, they do. You never even tried
garbage.
to. You can sell them.
What do you mean?
Mom, trust me, people will like this.
Yeah, they look good.
Yeah.
I can't even fit my thing anymore.
Straight.
Eso también botan la basura.
I can't get that.
Estos garbage también, ve.
25 cents, Mom. Then leave it.
No, pues no los
No,
tires.
that's Barbie. Did you put anything else in there?
Yeah.
This is garbage.
Oh no.
¿Y este no te queda, Brenda?
Yeah, they so fit her shoe
They do.
gloves on.
Let me see.
I really.
It looks like they're eating very well and they're staying fit. So good job. This video better be good. Thank you.
Come on and